Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video, and that's a red EP3. The customer's very excited to be here after watching all the YouTube videos. So this one's got a Tegiwa 70mm exhaust, it's got a 4:1 Decat exhaust manifold, Skunk2 Ultra Series Inlet Manifold, Tegiwa 70mm throttle body. Let's find out what else it's got when it gets in here. I believe it's probably got a Tegiwa letterbox. Yeah, so Tegiwa, so some Tegiwa parts on there. The 70mm is obviously one of my favourite parts, but let's see what she makes in standard form, and then we're going to be tuning it on a K Pro. Here we go.
Yeah, I've got this lovely G3 power.
Shut up. EP3 in the house, tuned on a K Pro today.
Yeah, it came in with all its mods, didn't it? Yeah.
Available on the website?
Yeah, there you go. I believe it's got a Tegiwa 70mm. It's got a 4:1 Decat manifold.
Yes.
It has got the Tegiwa letterbox airbox. It has a Skunk2 Ultra Series manifold. I think it's on standard throttle body, is it not?
No, it's got an uprated.
Oh, it's got an updated throttle body. Oh, okay. Yeah, so it's throttle body. So to be fair, an absolutely great list of mods there. But as we always say, every car on its own merit. This car ran about 200 brake.
200 bang on. Without the tune.
Without tune, which to be fair, is probably a little bit on the low side.
Yeah.
This is like I said with EP3. Sometimes you'll get them and they've got a load of mods on them and they don't perform too well, and then you unlock a massive amount of power, obviously, when you tune.
Yeah.
Or sometimes they'll make good power, like say 225 or something in stock form, and whilst they still make a good amount of power, they, you know, the jump isn't quite as much.
Because looking at the graph, it looks like we always, you know, look, the graph's always, there's the same hiking power.
Oh, absolutely.
It's the same hiking power, but it just so happens that our peak was 200.
Yeah, this car started at 200, didn't it? And
yeah, now it's 230.
And we finished on 230. Probably, in all fairness, I'm not saying there's anything wrong with it, but we would, for these mods, I'd expect to see 240.
But then again, you know, we haven't disassembled the Tegiwa letterbox and found loads of leaves in there. We haven't, you know, we don't know the history of the engine or it's...
No, of course. This is what I said, every car on its own merit. The car's here to be tuned, and that's what we've done. We've got the best out of it. I think when you look at that graph, it looks as good as any other graph.
Smooth.
The smooth and the improvements, for sure. It's just a shame the peak numbers are not there, but yeah, I mean, I'm happy with the map and the way it's mapped up, for sure.
Yeah, good stuff. Shall we have a look at the graph?
Yeah, let's have a look at the graph.
Let's do it. So as we always say, red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves, and look at that power in the mid-range. That's, yeah, that's great. But we finish on 230 brake horsepower and 191 at the wheels, 229 to be precise. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. And do you know what? I'm going to go code word Uncle Keith's Paint Shops at that. So tap the at and then Uncle Keith's Paint Shop, tag him in. I think this one wants a little bit of Keith's love on it. And we'll see you all on the next video. Won't we, Jensen?
We will indeed.
We will indeed.
Before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.